Find the value or values of b such that the average value of the function y equals 2 plus 6x minus 3x squared on the interval 0b is equal to 3. All right, so here's our average value function, like that. Okay, we're going to integrate between 0 to b of 2 plus 6x minus 3x squared dx. And at the end of the day, we want that to equal 3. All right, so that's got to equal 3. We'll write that out at the end. All right, so you're going to be 1 over b. I can handle that. You're going to be 2x plus 3x squared minus x cubed. My limits are going to be 0 and b. All right, so let's set it up. We've got 1 over b times 2b, or not, plus 3b squared minus b cubed minus, oh, this is good, 1 over b, 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0 squared minus 0 cubed. So you will all go away. So this is what I'm going to be left with. All right, so let's move that over here. Okay, let's move that over here. That's going to be 1 over b, 2b, 3b squared minus b cubed. So after distributing 1 over b to everything, you become 2, 3 regular b minus b squared. Now I have to set that equal to 3. So let's do this. Let's move everything to the right side and reorganize everything. All right, so we get 0 is equal to b squared minus 3b, and if I subtract 2 from 3, I get 1. Like that. Normally I'd factor that out. I can't. So I'm going to have to use the quadratic formula, which is going to be, normally I'd say x equals, but it's going to be b equals, but there's already b's there. I don't like it. So b equals, if I were to call you invisible 1, a, invisible b, I'm going to keep it b because why not stay consistent? Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. That's going to give me negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared minus 4 times invisible 1 times regular 1 all over 2 times 1. So negative 3 plus or minus the square root. 9 minus 4 is 5 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So I'm going to have 3 plus root 5 over 2, or also 3 minus root 5 over 2. So we're going to have 2 b's. So remember before where I said 2 b's or not? We did. Oh, it's all funny. It's all good. Please like and subscribe.